Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. The art of order, embracing the principles of the French garden. The classic French garden, or jardin à la française, is a symbol of order, symmetry, and grandeur. Originating in the 17th century, most famously with André Lenoutre's designs for the Palace of Versailles, this style transforms nature into a work of art. It is a formal landscape intended to impress and demonstrate man's control over the natural world. While often associated with vast estates, the core principles can be adapted to gardens of any size. The goal is to create a sense of harmony, balance, and perspective that is both breathtaking and serene. Embracing these ideas can bring a touch of timeless sophistication to your own outdoor space. At the very heart of a French garden lies a rigid, symmetrical structure that creates a sense of order and calm. The design is typically organized around a central axis, often a path or a canal, which provides a strong visual line drawing the eye through the space. This main axis is then crossed by perpendicular paths, dividing the garden into a series of geometric parterres, or ornamental beds. Balance is paramount, with every element on one side being mirrored precisely on the other. This formal layout is not meant to look wild or overgrown, but is instead a carefully composed outdoor room. The overall effect is one of refined elegance and mathematical precision, making the garden feel both expansive and intimate. The parterre is the decorative, low-lying centerpiece of the French garden, best viewed from an elevated terrace or window. These intricate beds are laid out in precise, often swirling patterns that resemble embroidery, hence the name Parterre de broderie. They are typically filled with gravel, sand, or colored minerals and are outlined with low, tightly clipped boxwood hedges. The simplicity of the materials ensures the focus remains on the beautiful, complex shapes of the design itself. While historically vibrant with flowers, modern interpretations often use the green-on-green contrast of boxwood against lawn for a more subdued elegance. This element showcases the gardener's skill and adds a layer of textural detail to the landscape. A classic French garden uses focal points to guide the viewer's journey and create a sense of discovery along the central axis. These features provide a visual destination and break the formality with artistic or natural elements. Common focal points include sculptural pieces, such as stone urns, classical statues, or bubbling fountains that introduce movement and sound. A reflective canal or a simple round pond can also serve this purpose, mirroring the sky and amplifying the feeling of spaciousness. At the very end of the main vista, a bosquet, a small formal grove of trees, often provides a green architectural backdrop. These ornaments are never placed randomly, but are strategically positioned to enhance the garden's perspective and grandeur.